Today we'll be exploring the 7 best healthy crackers available on the market. Whether you're on a low-carb diet, gluten-free, or simply looking for a healthy snack, we've got you covered. We know that the snack aisle can be a maze when it comes to finding healthy crackers. We've rounded up the best of the best for you. So sit back, relax, grab some air pop popcorn, and let's dive into the world of crackers. Also, for your convenience, all product links will be in the description below this video. Okay, let's continue. When shopping for crackers, there are a few things to keep in mind to make sure you're getting the best. And this is also the criteria that we use to select the ones on our list. First, make sure whole grain is listed as the first ingredient. This means that the crackers are 100% whole grain, which is important for getting those wholesome nutrients into your diet. Next, check the fiber content. Aim for crackers that have at least 3 grams of fiber per serving. This will help you feel fuller for longer and keep your digestive system running smoothly. But that's not all. It's also important to watch out for high levels of sodium. Try to choose crackers with less sodium, as this can be beneficial for everyone's overall health. Lastly, watch out for added sugar. Most Americans are already consuming too much sugar in their diet, so it's important to keep an eye on the sugar content of your crackers. Ideally, choose crackers with no more than 1 to 2 grams of sugar per serving, and avoid high fructose corn syrup or crackers with multiple types of sugar. So, keep these tips in mind when shopping for crackers, and you'll be on your way to making the best choices for your health. Okay, now to the list of the healthiest crackers. First up, the best overall cracker is Triscuit Original Crackers, with just 3 simple ingredients: whole wheat, oil, and salt. It's no wonder why dietitians recommend these crackers as one of the healthiest options out there. Here's a snapshot. Each serving of 6 crackers contains just 120 calories, with 3.5 grams of fat and 0 grams of saturated fat. The sodium content is also low, with just 160 milligrams per serving. And don't let those stats fool you. Triscuit crackers are packed with flavor. From bold and savory to subtle and sweet, Triscuit has got you covered with their wide range of flavors. And the best part? Even their flavored crackers, like cracked pepper and olive oil, have a low sodium content of only 140 milligrams per serving. That's right, you can indulge in your favorite snack without having to worry about going over your daily sodium limit. Plus, the first ingredient in all Triscuit crackers is whole grain wheat, ensuring that you're getting a nutritious and delicious snack in every bite. So if you're looking for a healthy and tasty cracker option, make sure to give Triscuit Original Crackers a try. Trust us, your taste buds will thank you. Next up is the best high-protein option, Back to Nature Whole Lotta Seeds Crackers. Are you on the hunt for crackers that pack a punch of protein? Look no further, because we've found a winner for you. The Back to Nature Whole Lotta Seeds Crackers. Here's a snapshot. Each serving of these crackers packs 150 calories, 7 grams of protein, and a whole lot of deliciousness. And with a combination of natural fiber and 4 seeds. These crackers are delicious and nutritious. But wait, there's more. Back to Nature takes it to the next level by adding plant-based pea protein powder to boost the protein content even further. In fact, a serving of these crackers will give you more protein than an egg. So if you're looking for crackers that are not only tasty, but also high in protein, fiber, and wholesome ingredients, the Back to Nature Whole Lotta Seeds crackers should definitely be at the top of your shopping list. Next, we have the best low-carb cracker option, Fat Snacks Almond Flour Classic Crackers. For my keto and low-carb dieters, are you on the lookout for a delicious snack that won't sabotage your diet goals? Look no further, because we've found the perfect crackers for you. Fat Snacks Almond Flour Classic Crackers. Here's a snapshot. With only 3 grams of net carbs per serving, these almond flour-based crackers are the perfect snack for those on a low-carb diet. And with 130 calories, 11 grams of fat, and 5 grams of protein per serving, you can snack on these crackers with peace of mind. But that's not all. These crackers are also low in sodium, with only 240 milligrams per serving and packed with extra fiber from flax seeds. And the protein in these crackers comes from a combination of almonds and egg whites, making them not only delicious but also nutritious. So if you're looking for crackers that are low in carbs, high in fiber and protein, and delicious, the Fat Snacks Almond Flour Classic Crackers should definitely be in your shopping cart. Next on the list is the best seeded cracker, Mary's Gone Crackers Super Seed Classic. If you're looking for a cracker with a little extra crunch and a whole lot of wholesome ingredients, then look no further. Mary's Gone Crackers Super Seed Classic is just what you need. Here's a snapshot. These crackers are packed with a delicious blend of nutritious seeds, including flax, sesame, and quinoa, making them a tasty and filling option. And the best part, they're organic, gluten-free, and vegan, so you can feel good about snacking on them. With 3 grams of fiber and only 280 milligrams of sodium per serving, you'll love the combination of crunchy texture and healthy ingredients. So go ahead, give Mary's Gone Crackers Super Seed Classic a try, and enjoy the satisfying crunch of wholesome snacking. Up next is the best gluten-free cracker, Crunchmaster Multigrain Sea Salt. If you're looking for a gluten-free cracker option that won't sacrifice on taste and texture, look no further than Crunchmaster Multigrain Sea Salt Crackers. With a delicious crunch, these crackers are packed with wholesome ingredients like brown rice flour, oat fiber, sesame seeds, quinoa, millet, and flaxseed. Here's a snapshot. At just 120 calories for 16 crackers, 20 grams each, these crackers are a great option for snacking without feeling guilty. And with 140 milligrams of sodium and 3 grams of fiber, they're a tasty and healthy option that won't disrupt your diet. So next time you're in the mood for a crunchy snack, reach for a pack of Crunchmaster Multigrain Sea Salt Crackers and enjoy satisfyingly crisp bites. Up next is the best veggie option, Real Food from the Ground Up Cauliflower Cracker. These Real Food from the Ground Up Cauliflower Crackers are a game changer for anyone who loves crackers and veggies. They are made with the wholesome goodness of cauliflower flour and lentil flour, plus a delicious veggie blend, which means you're getting more than just your average cracker. Here's a snapshot. One serving gives you a whopping 10% of your daily value of essential vitamins. That's right, you can feel good about snacking on these crackers because they are not just delicious, but also packed with nutrients. With only 100 calories, 2.5 grams of fat, and 2 grams of protein, these crackers make the perfect healthy snack option. And at only 280 milligrams of sodium, you won't have to worry about high sodium levels either. So go ahead, give these veggie-packed crackers a try, and discover a delicious new way to snack. Up next is the best high-fiber cracker, Wassa Crisp Bread. If you're looking to up your fiber game, look no further than Wassa Crisp Bread. With a whopping 3 grams of fiber per serving, these crackers are a must-have for anyone looking to feel fuller for longer. Here's a snapshot. But don't let their health benefits fool you. These crackers are packed with flavor and crunch. The combination of wheat germ, bran, and whole grain rye gives these crackers a satisfying texture, while the sesame seeds add a delicious nutty flavor. And the best part? With only 60 calories and 1 gram of fat per serving, these crackers are a great option for anyone looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy diet. So why settle for bland, boring crackers when you can have Wassa Crisp Bread? Add them to your snack collection today. There's a cracker out there for everyone, whether you're gluten-free, low-carb, high-fiber, or simply looking for a crunchy snack. So, the next time you're looking for a healthier cracker option, consider one of these top picks. We hope that this video has given you some inspiration for your next snack attack, and don't forget to leave a comment with your favorite cracker topping. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you on the next video.